A few weeks ago I've created a very popular video in the L1 cryptocurrency project called Alephium, and in this video we're going to explore its ecosystem and show you what it currently offers. Alright, first let's start with a segment where I give an introduction on what Alephium is. Now the core objectives of Alephium revolve around addressing the scalability, security and sustainability challenges faced by traditional blockchain platforms. Alephium aims to provide a foundation for building decentralized applications and managing digital assets efficiently. Alephium uses a unique sharding solution to improve the scalability of its network. By dividing the blockchain into smaller, more manageable segments, Alephium can process transactions in parallel, increasing the overall throughput and efficiency of the network. Security in Alephium is enhanced through its stateful UTXO, so unspent transaction output model, and a sophisticated smart contract system. These features aim to provide a secure and reliable environment for transactions and app development. Alephium enhances developer experience and security with its virtual machine, SDK and performance optimized programming language. Its math-aware design and built-in security measures eliminate common attack vectors such as re-entrancy attacks, unlimited authorization and flash loans. Alephium allows devs to focus on what matters and pioneers entirely new possibilities for smart contracts, dApps and tokens. One part of their ecosystem is the Alephium wallet, and there are several ways how you can set up a wallet for Alephium. They have a desktop wallet, an extension wallet, a node wallet, and they also allow you to set up the Alephium app on the Ledger hardware wallet. The guide on how to do this is in their documents, which I will link for you down below. Right, now let's first show you how to get the desktop wallet.
Right, so let's use the docs to set up a wallet. I'm going to choose the desktop wallet. It says it's the most user-friendly Alephium wallet available today. So that's what I want. I'm going to click Get Started. And it tells me to download the executable file in line with your setup. So Mac, Windows or Linux from the latest release. If you click that, it will take you to a GitHub page where you can find the latest link. Make sure you click it and then you can pick Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I'm on Windows, so I'm gonna pick the Windows one. It's giving me a prompt to select the destination folder, so I've done that. Now I'm going to navigate to that folder and double click it to open it. I'm getting a message that the Defender Smart Screen is trying to prevent an unknown app to install. I'm going to click more information and execute anyways because I'm getting this from a reliable source. It's showing me a setup screen and then this pops up. Version 2.2.5 is available. Click update to avoid any issues. So I'm going to click update. It's going to download the update automatically. Then the next message is restart the application. So I'm going to click restart. It shows me this pop-up screen, this install screen, and then let me drag it over here. A new screen has popped up, and then it gives me two options, new wallet or import wallet, and I don't have a wallet yet, so I have to create a new wallet. Right, I need to give it a name, give it a password and retype my password. So that's what I'm going to do. It says Alephium doesn't have access to your wallet. You are the only owner. Once I've done it, I'm going to click continue, and then it shows me my secret recovery phrase, which I will need to write down. Then I'm going to click I've copied the words, continue, and then it says all right, time to check if you got your words right. Select the words in the right order. Ready? I'm ready. If you did it the right way, it's going to say great job. Remember to keep those words safe. I'm going to click continue, and now everything is ready. Welcome to Alephium. Let's go. If you want to use a passphrase, lock your newly created wallet. I'm just going to click let's go, and then it shows you the wallet. So I don't own any ELF at the time of this recording. I will be compensated for this video, by the way. It's a sponsored video. On the left hand side you have your overview, you have your transfers, you have your addresses, which shows you your addresses. Then you can change the theme from dark to light. And then we've got a settings page, which will allow you to change several settings. Right, let's go back to the studio and continue with the ecosystem of Alephium.
Now that we've created a wallet, it's time to explore the ecosystem. And the best place to start for this is Elfland and their Alephium Gazette. Now Elfland is a platform dedicated to showcasing decentralized applications on the Alephium blockchain. It features a variety of categories including DeFi, NFTs, games, social platforms and more. The website is sponsored by Alephium and the Blockflow Alliance DAO, and it offers tools for users to add and discover dApps on the Alephium network. The Alephium Gazette is a dedicated platform that offers updates and editorial content related to the Alephium blockchain ecosystem. It serves as a news newsletter that keeps community members informed about the latest developments, advancements and events within Alephium. The Gazette seems to include op-eds, ecosystem recaps and potentially other forms of content aimed at engaging the Alephium community and providing comprehensive updates. Let's jump behind the computer and visit Elfland to see what it can offer.
And here you're looking at Elfland, so you can connect your wallet up here, add your dApp if you have one. On the right hand side is where we will see all the dApps, and we can sort by A to C or Z to A, so we get different results. And then on the left hand side we can change the theme from dark to light, and we've got the categories here which we can use to filter. So on-ramps, bridges, if I want to know which bridge there is on Alephium, I can click bridge and it shows me the Alephium bridge. I can deselect my selection and then everything else comes up again. One thing I liked very much is that I can even check for reputation, so public team. So these two have a public team, which means that all the others don't have a public team. And for some people that's important that teams are doxed, and that's one way how you can find that out. We've got wallets, the Sesame wallet, which I'm not showing in this video, but it's a different wallet you can use for Alephium. So that's basically how you can navigate through Elfland. You can just click one dApp and it will take you to their page. It will tell you what it is. They will give you a link to visit that dApp. It will give you links to their socials. So it's a very compact site where you can get a lot of information on the different dApps.
And before we move on to the next dApp, I want to remind you all that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. Now, because you're all very dear to me and I like to help keep your crypto safe, I was actually able to work out a deal with Decent. They are a hardware manufacturer which offers two types of hardware wallets. The first one is a biometric hardware wallet and the second one is their all-in-one card wallet. And the best thing about this hardware wallet is that you don't need to charge it or connect it to a computer, but you can just simply use the NFC technology together with your phone to do your transactions and manage your crypto assets. Because they are actually the sponsor of this channel, I'm able to offer you a $30 discount by using the link down below. And while you're checking out links anyway, be sure to join me in my free Telegram and Twitter as well, where I share news quicker than I do on this channel because these videos take a long time to produce. Also, stick around for a giveaway at the end of this video. Moving on to Elfpad, which is part of the Alephium blockchain ecosystem as well, and it specializes in elevating blockchain projects by facilitating capital raising and broadening market exposure. So unlike generic crowdfunding platforms, Elfpad is tailored for the unique needs of blockchain-based projects, offering a secure and tested environment for launching new tokens or coins. And that means that projects benefit from Elfpad's streamlined launch process, which includes essential sales functionalities and tools to reach a wide audience of potential investors. Now, while Elfpad organizes the launch structure, investors are encouraged to conduct their own due diligence. Elfpad does not verify the claims of projects, but provides the framework to support their market entry effectively. And by leveraging Elfpad, projects gain access to a technological robust ecosystem, enhancing their potential for success. And this platform not only equips projects with the necessary tools and exposure, but also offers investors a gateway to innovative and emerging opportunities in the blockchain space. Alright, that said, let's look at some more projects that are live on Alephium or about to launch. One of them is Elfbanks, and Elfbanks is a DeFi platform on the Alephium network, offering financial solutions to enhance the utility and profitability of digital assets. Key services include minting over-collateralized stablecoins, staking and managing liquidations through auctions. And the platform allows users to borrow by depositing ELF as collateral to receive ELF USD with a loan-to-value ratio up to 61%. And it also supports earning staking mechanisms for stakers and providers decentralized governance features. Elfbanks plans to expand its collateral options and enhance its lending and borrowing services in the future. A different upcoming project is Elf Pro, and this is a DeFi dashboard on the Alephium blockchain. It's designed to help users track their portfolio performance and make on-chain discoveries. This platform provides tools for monitoring various DeFi metrics and managing blockchain activities effectively within the Alephium ecosystem. Now, if you go into their unlisted token section, you will find many meme tokens, which is not uncommon for fairly new blockchains. However, the more Alephium matures, the better quality projects there will be available. Agent is the decentralized exchange on the Alephium blockchain. It aims to provide a Uniswap style trading platform for Alephium's community. Initially launched with its native token agent, the platform plans to expand its token offerings and has integrated a voting mechanism to involve the community in deciding which tokens to list. Lynx OTC is currently on testnet. It's a peer-to-peer platform on the Alephium blockchain, and Lynx OTC makes use of the atomic swap feature on Alephium to enable peer-to-peer trading. And the Lynx OTC testnet guide provides information on how to participate in peer-to-peer trading on the Lynx OTC platform while it's running on a test network. It details the steps necessary to connect various types of wallets, such as desktop, mobile or extension wallets, to the Lynx OTC system. The guide emphasizes that both trading parties need to be on the same group within the network and outlines the process for initiating and signing peer-to-peer trades. I'll link the documents in the description down below for your easy access. Now the final one I'll highlight here is PyroPlay, and the reason for this is because I believe the AI and GameFi sector will bring the biggest crowd to blockchain. PyroPlay is an innovative player versus player gaming platform built on the Alephium blockchain. Designed as a community-driven arena, PyroPlay allows players to engage in various games, betting with the tokens like Alpha and PowerPoints, and unlike traditional gaming platforms where players compete against the house with fixed odds, PyroPlay ensures that a player's success is determined by their skill and strategy. Now PyroPlay emphasizes user experience by offering a sleek, intuitive interface that's optimized for both mobile and desktop devices. This approach aims to make the platform accessible and enjoyable for all users, from seasoned gamers to casual players. And the platform's reliance on blockchain technology underpins its commitment to providing a fair and transparent gaming environment. The choice of Alephium for PyroPlay is strategic, leveraging the blockchain's technology and the strong community engagement from the developers' previous projects. Alephium's unique features support PyroPlay's goals to enhance user engagement and expand the gaming community within the blockchain space. Now the roadmap for PyroPlay includes launching with an initial NFT founder card sale, which offers investors a stake in the platform's revenue structure along with exclusive benefits. The developer commits to transparency by sharing weekly updates on the platform's progress, fostering a close-knit community around PyroPlay. Currently, the Alephium community is awaiting the highly anticipated Roam upgrade as well, and the Roam network upgrade on the Alephium network focuses on enhancing development tools, optimizing wallets and implementing measures for scam prevention. This upgrade is a continuation of the platform's efforts to improve its ecosystem, particularly by refining the programming environment for developers. Significant parts of this upgrade include work on the backend to review, test and improve pull requests for the Roam upgrade, alongside efforts to optimize the syntax used in development processes. Now for developers and participants in the Alephium ecosystem, these upgrades are crucial as they enhance the platform's performance and usability, making it more attractive for building decentralized applications and services. For instance, this upgrade will provide block time reduction from 64 to 16 seconds, gasless transactions and reduce the minimal storage fee on Alephium. Now the gasless transactions are great because programmable gasless transactions unleash the possibility of a smart contract to decide if they want to pay the full, half or no amount of gas based on the quality and quantity of the token the user holds. One example for users of the Alephium ecosystem in regards to the reduced block time is that it will make turn-based games faster. For instance, the NFT game called Goldcastle.club now takes 1 minute for every action, which will be significantly reduced and will help with gameplay experience. I'll be sure to put a link in the description of the Alephium Gazette and a link to their documents page where all the updates that have been done in regards to Roam will be visible for you. Right, if you want to learn more about this project, then be sure to check out their documents and socials for the latest updates on this project, especially the Alephium Gazette, which will give you the most information. Let us know if you're an elf fanatic down below by leaving a comment. Also, I will be giving away one decent hardware wallet this month, and to be eligible for the giveaway, you'll need to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment under this video saying I like Alephium, and join my free Telegram, which is linked down below, and leave the same message. A random winner will be picked at the end of this month. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!